Yeah. Yes. No way. Wait. Oh. Let's go.
Are the two girls still doing karate? The
Hmm?
twins.
Nah.
See, one of the girls wearing her sister's leaving hoodie. Are they cheeky? She just stuck her tongue at her dad. One of them.
Yeah.
Can you tell them apart?
Uh,
Are they in your class?
no. If you've seen them for a long time, yeah, probably. They're
Have
only
you?
6.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why they're wearing leaving hoodie. I thought.
Mom, they're twins. Of course they're only 6.
No, I didn't know. I thought they were in year 5. Both of them. Of
What?
course, both of them. I didn't know they were in year 6.
Did you know? Wait, both of them wearing leavers.
No, that's why I thought they were wearing. That one is wearing her sister's.
What? An older sister?
Yeah, you know they have an older sister.
Do they? Yeah, so cool. I am gonna.